Most people get this Microsoft GH-900 GitHub Foundation question wrong. But after this video, you won't be one of them. In this video, I'll break down real GH-900 practice questions step by step in a simple way anyone can understand. The GH-900 exam is a beginner-level Microsoft certification focused on GitHub fundamentals. It's perfect for developers, DevOps engineers, administrators, solution architects, app makers. If you're starting your DevOps journey, this exam is for you. Here are the quick facts. Exam time, 60 minutes. Level, beginner. Product, GitHub. Subject, DevOps. Now let's look at these practice questions, similar to what you'll see in the exam. Question 1. Which of the following is a key characteristic of GitHub projects? A. Ability to visualize the commit history. B. Ability to import Gantt charts from Microsoft Project. C. Ability to create and customize multiple views. D. Ability to enforce required fields. Correct answer, C. Ability to create and customize multiple views. GitHub Projects lets you create and switch between different views, for example, board, table, roadmap, and customize them to track work in ways that fit your workflow. Question 2. Which of the following is the best GitHub feature for long-form documentation for a project? A. Insights. B. Pull requests. C. Projects. D. Wikis. Correct answer, D. Wikis. GitHub Wikis are designed specifically for long-form project documentation, such as guides, architecture notes, and detailed explanations. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes GitHub Copilot? A. A Visual Studio Code extension for developing AI solutions. B. An AI tool designed to replace software developers. C. An AI pair programmer that offers autocomplete style suggestions. D. An advanced search tool to intelligently reuse existing code in your projects. Correct answer, C. AI pair programmer. GitHub Copilot assists developers by providing AI-powered code suggestions directly in the editor, acting like a pair programmer rather than replacing developers. Question number 4. Which of the following options can a user do from a discussion post? A. Duplicate the discussion. B. Archive the discussion. C. Create an issue from the discussion. D. Add the discussion to README. Correct answer, C. Create an issue from the discussion. GitHub Discussions allows users to convert a discussion into an issue when it becomes actionable work. Question number 5. Which of the following can be performed within GitHub Mobile? A. Utilizing the mobile device as a self-hosted runner. B. Managing enterprise and organization settings. C. Chat with other GitHub Mobile users via voice calling. D. Forking and cloning repositories. Correct answer, D. Forking and cloning repositories. GitHub Mobile allows you to fork repositories and interact with them, including viewing code and opening in other tools, and it is commonly used to manage and respond to notifications. All these questions are inspired by Pass for Success GH-900 practice tests. Our questions are exam-focused, regularly updated, designed to boost your confidence. Check the link in description. To pass GH-900, practice daily, understand concepts, solve real exam questions. And that's exactly what Pass for Success helps you do. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment your questions. More certification content coming soon. This is Pass for Success, helping you pass the first time. See you in the next video.